This video presents the simulational and experimental results for the proposed teleoperation combined with artificial potential field algorithm for collision avoidance. The virtual joystick is used to control the linear and angular velocity of the mobile robot. In the case of an obstacle that is not seen by the operator, the APF algorithm autonomously avoids a collision. Moreover, even when the operator is not actively controlling the mobile robot, it continues to autonomously avoid dynamic obstacles present in the environment. The proposed adaptive scaling factor of the repulsive potential enables collision avoidance even at high speeds and at the same time preserves proper operation in narrow corridors. For experimental verification, the Husarion ROSbot 2.0 Pro and Xbox joystick were used. The experiments have been provided in the Collaborative and Mobile Robotics Laboratory at Nicolaus Copernicus University in Turin. One can see that the mobile robot successfully avoids the collision. In addition, it escapes the simple local minima, which is extremely important for unknown environments and the limited vision of the operator. Thank you for watching.